Ready? One, two, three, start. The present appeal by special leave is directed against the order dated 1st October 2012 passed by the High Court, whereby the learned single judge in exercise of the jurisdiction under section 439 within bracket 2 read with section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 has set aside the order dated passed by the learned additional sessions judge Saket Court, Delhi, who had granted the benefit of anticipatory bail to the appellants in FIR number AA instituted for the offence punishable under section 420 IPC, registered at Police Station, Defence Colony, New Delhi. New para. The factual matrix that is required to be exposited for the purpose of disposal of the present appeal is that the second respondent filed an FIR against the present appellants, alleging that both of them had conspired against him, and in furtherance of the said conspiracy they had subjected him to cheating, criminal breach of trust, and have misappropriated the money. As alleged in the FIR, the appellants allured the said respondent to buy a property situated at Lodi Road, New Delhi, for which he paid an advance of rupees 1 crore. As the narration would unfurl, it was apprised by the appellants that the property, comprising entire basement floor and entire ground floor with one servant and impenetrable share of ownership rights in the land underneath, would be sold to him, and he will be delivered vacant physical possession. There are series of other allegations which would show that on the basis of oral agreement certain amount was paid, and on 30 April 2012 an agreement to sell was duly executed between the parties. It is also the case of the informant that remaining part of the amount, that is rupees 4 crores, was to be paid to the accused persons at the time of registration of the sale deed on or before 26 September 2011. New para. As the allegations proceed, after receipt of the amount, the appellants disputed the amount and delayed the execution of the sale deed. On an inquiry being made, the second respondent came to know that the appellants had entered into an agreement to sell the said property to a third person. That was the foundation to lodge the FIR. After the lodgement of the FIR, the appellants moved an application under Section 438 CRPC for grant of anticipatory bail. Thank you.